What's up guys, Reboot here. Welcome back to another yearly unboxing of the new iPhone. So today on the table we have the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This year I had to go with the natural titanium finish just because I went with the blue titanium last year, and I always said to myself, oh man, I should have got the natural titanium. I mean, don't get me wrong, I really do like the blue titanium and blue is my favorite color, but something about the natural titanium just hits different. It actually kind of reminds me of the iPhone 6, which was my first iPhone, if you guys didn't know. So let's just get right into it and remove the lid to reveal the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. And oh man, this color looks so nice. It actually makes me want to go caseless just to show off that natural titanium finish, but with my luck, I feel like I will drop it within the first couple of days. And to be honest, iPhones are actually quite slippery without a case. If you guys look at the right side of the phone, you can see that new button for the camera, or as Apple likes to call it, the camera control. Let's just put the phone off to the side for now and let's see what else we get in the box. So this year we also have that nice quality braided USB-C to USB-C cable, same as last year with the new iPhone 15 models. Aside from that, we have some documentation underneath, and that's pretty much it this year. We don't get no Apple stickers. For the United States folks, we get that eSIM model, which kind of sucks, honestly. I personally prefer having a physical SIM card just because if I ever want to switch over to my backup phone or any other phone temporarily, I can easily do that with the physical SIM card, only in the US. Thanks, Apple. Alright, so let's check out the iPhone 16 Pro Max in natural titanium. Now let's pair on the iPhone for the first time. It's always pretty exciting setting up a new phone, but it can be a little stressful because the part that sucks is signing into all of your apps again. So let's take a closer look at the camera control. I actually thought it was going to be a haptic feedback from what I've read online, but when I'm actually pressing it, it's an actual button. You can hear it clicking. That's actually kind of surprising because from all the rumors that I saw online, I was actually expecting it just to be haptic feedback when messing with this camera control. But I mean, it's no big deal. So now that we got the unboxing out of the way, here's just a quick comparison to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Pretty much cosmetic wise, the only noticeable difference is the camera button. If you just glance at them, you're not going to be able to tell which is which. You have to actually look for the differences like the thinner bezels and slightly bigger chassis. Looking at the other sides and the back, it pretty much looks like it's the same exact phone. If I would have got the natural titanium in the 15 Pro Max and the natural titanium in the 16 Pro Max, honestly, it would have felt like I have the same exact phone. I also purchased one of the silicone cases just because they didn't have the fine woven cases anymore this year. I don't know what happened. I know some of you guys are still waiting on that update video. It's still gonna happen, so just give me some more time. But I was gonna purchase a fine woven case if they had them, but they didn't, so I had to go with the silicone case, and I went with the lake green color, and it's actually a lot nicer in person than I thought it would be. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy with the color choices of the case and the phone that I made this year. But anyways guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the 16 Pro Max. I'll do a review after using the phone for maybe about a month, so make sure you guys stay tuned if you guys are interested in that video. Like always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.